It's finally time to test out ManusAI agent. We have covered this agent 1 month ago and we've seen what the community has created and what were the most impressive prompts. But right now I actually finally have access to it and I have already asked it the first question. The very first question that I always ask LLMs when I want to benchmark their capabilities. Write an SEO optimized webpage teaching transformer models, make it look nice, modern, and professional. Manus did so many things that we can see over here. Search transformer models, create an SEO keyword list, design the web page structure, and wrote the content for the web page. It didn't only do that, but it actually implemented the HTML, the CSS, and also deployed this website. So what I say here is turn your creation into a website and deploy it permanently. This is obviously very easy to do. You can also see all of the files for these tasks. This could be very useful for anyone that looks to learn more things about developing, or maybe you want to integrate these kind of things into your own website. And finally, we get to preview this website. It's actually available for everyone in this world to test it out. And here we can see the website. And let me tell you something, this is the best website out of all of tools. It's really much lovable in terms of depth and quality. So understanding transformer models, mastering transformer models, the architecture, revolutionizing AI. Beautiful colors, nice bar. Let's see if it's also extendable, and it actually is. So that's nice. So here we see transformer architecture. We see a timeline of the models. This is very nice idea by AI to do that. The key advantages of transformer models, transformer architectures. Here it points to some images that for some reason are not accessible. Multi-head attention, position, feed-forward networks, how they work. So here it expected to have some more images. Here it says made by Manus. Self-attention, it gives some kind of code preview, multi-head attention, blah, blah, blah. Looks amazing. Application of transformer models. This is amazing. This is so good looking and so complete, so in depth, I would actually say. And it also gives you a guide on how to implement these. So this is like a basic implementation of a transformer model, advantages and limitations, future directions, frequently asked questions. This is an FAQ, really nice. Papers, tutorial and courses, libraries and tools and books that you can read about these things. And here it says, stay tuned, and you can give your email, blah, 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 whatever. About Twitter and all of these things, they are not filled out, but you can literally fill them in by yourselves. So this is a very good first landing page. It's populated with useful information, and I think this looks absolutely amazing. In all honesty, Manus is an amazing alternative to deep research tools. I have created a course about automating research using AI, where we teach Grok 3, ChatGPT Perplexity, and loads of other models and tools. But I think Manus is absolutely the best of the best, and I have one more tool that I will show you in the next few days. I'm really excited for that, but of course if you want to learn more about AI deep research, link down below for courses menu, so you can go ahead and check out this course. It's completely for free, 2 hours of on-demand video completely for free. And of course you can browse more of my courses in the link down below. So I would be really excited to see you take these courses. I think they're very helpful. Over 13,000 total learners. This is amazing. So this website is absolutely insane. Manus was able to create all of this in 10 minutes. This is literally faster than me prompting models. And here you can see the whole chain of thought, exactly what it did. You can download all of the files. So I think this is amazing. So here I asked it to go ahead and go into Udemy and create a course for, create a page for all of my courses, making them accessible to people. And here it encountered some kind of problem. So I'm countering a Cloudflare security check while trying to access a Udemy courses pages directly. Common limitation for automated tools. So this is interesting, and you can also take control of the browser. Okay, so I can take control of the browser. This is human in the loop. So let me verify that I am a human. So I think this is very easy for Manus to do on its own, but they don't want to make Cloudflare really angry or whatever. So that's why they do what they do. Okay, this browser is going so slowly. So hopefully this will pass and it will be able to take the information. Okay, maybe not. Maybe Cloudflare has patched this. Amazing. Okay, so I will give it another link. So maybe go to NoFX services, courses, course menu. Okay, so you can extract courses from this page alternatively. Okay, so this is probably allowed because we've got all of the courses here, and it will be probably able to access this page and extract the course details. If it cannot do this, this would be good because it means that my website, NoFX Services, where we got all of the courses, it's down below in the description, is actually able to counter those kind of agents, and that would be also nice. If it's not going to do that, it's totally fine. Again, we will be able to get all of the courses and create the website through Manus. But what I really like is that you can in real time see, browser Manus computer. So you can actually see exactly how Manus takes actions, what it sees, what it does. This is beautiful to see. And yeah, this is so nice. You can see it navigating. I think this is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, they have shrinked the page size and the quality of the pixels, so they don't waste a lot of money through this browser use and this AI understanding, tools. So that looks very nice. Yeah, so exit takeover. Manus is using the editor, and here you can see what it is editing live. You can literally see it extract information. It's moving now to a next step. It's so beautiful just to see AI working. It's really amazing. So I've successfully extracted all the courses information, and we can see here all of the courses information. Image URL is pretty fucked up. I don't think this is going to work, but still looks good. So let's check out what goes on. Categories for all 10 courses. I will proceed to designing and building a sleek, modern website to showcase these courses. So that looks also amazing. Okay, so what it does is creating the website right now, probably. We can see it coloring it. So that looks nice. And what we can see, it's actually starting from original style CSS that is completely empty. So this is interesting, and you can use Manus computer actually if you want to do changes or whatever. I don't really know how this is going to work, but again, this is super exciting to see. It's super amazing, really. It's super amazing. And here we can see exactly all of the course data that it is creating. Really, this is amazing. This is insane because, for example, this page over here for me to create took like a whole day of prompting AI. But I can see here on the right hand side creating a very nice and modern website very easily, which is insane. This is absolutely insane, my friends. This is so unexpected. Again, it's not very good at handling image URLs, but it's fine. That's probably something that they can fix in the future. Maybe add a specific static test, or make the agent always check that images are correctly integrated. But again, look at these guys. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so fast and so unexpected. So anonymize to deploy. Yes, please deploy the application. I have no problem for you to deploy the application. But the website looks very nice. Looks super good. This is ManusAI. Imagine if all companies could offer something like that. It could literally create a revolution. And really what we are lacking right now is the retrieval augmented aspect. Like having an automated way to rag your database in a very good and simple manner. And then, AI is just going to be exponentially better. I think this is the only thing missing. Models have big prompts, they're smart enough. I don't think they lack anything at this point. So this is amazing. We can download our files for the website. Congratulations, 5 stars. And yeah, okay, so website is actually delivered. And how can I ask it? Can you deploy it publicly? Okay, so I'm going to ask it to deploy it publicly, just exactly like it did with this transformer page. So hopefully it will be able to do that. So it's trying to deploy the website right now. It will take a little bit of time, but still it's totally fine, my friends, totally fine. And one of the things that I just found out is that ManusAI will be partnering with Alibaba's Qwen team to expand. This is insane. This is insane. I think Alibaba and Qwen are going to be some of the biggest competitors coming out of China. And there are rumors that Qwen 3 is already being created. This is insane. So we got DeepSeek and Qwen accelerating super fast from China. ManusAI, another tool that I will show you very, very soon. This is going to be insane. This is going to be completely insane from China. So yeah, how can I access this? Okay, so this is the website, George Paterakis, a Udemy course instructor. And yeah, you can see, you can filter like intermediate, advanced. You can see all of the courses beautifully animated. You can see here my website. Okay, so you only cannot access the images. That's the only problem. But for example, you can go ahead and, get all of the files in this folder, download them through a simple zip, and you're good to go. You can literally just take these files, do some, changes, and you're good to go. You're good to go, in all honesty, and you could literally just do the changes, fix some things using an AI model, and you could deploy it. Why not? This looks great. This is simple, looks amazing. With a little bit of fixings and keeping up with it, it could potentially be that. And boom, you literally get into like the first course. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. They have done an amazing job with this. So another problem may be that some of the links are pointing to the complete same direction. So this is going to learn to use LLMs like ChatGPT for free. And this also is pointing to the same one. Yes. So yeah, there are some fixes to be done, but this looks amazing. Oh my God. This is great. Great job by AI. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.